expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
אבוקדו. אבוקדו. חברה שלי נועה שונאת אבוקדו. My friend Noah hates avocado. She obviously doesn't know what's good for her. So. אגוז מקדמיה. מקדמיה nut. הוא אוכל אגוז מקדמיה אחד כל בוקר. He eats one macadamia nut every morning. That's an odd habit. אוכמנית. Blueberry. The plural is אוכמניות. סבתא שלי מכינה רובת אוכמניות מצוינת. My grandmother makes great blueberry jam. That's a lie, because we don't really have blueberries in Israel, I think. We don't grow them here at least. Banana. Banana. הוא אוכל רק בננות ירוקות. He eats only green bananas. Dag. Fish. There's a famous Moroccan dish, well, it's famous in Israel, called chraime. Chraime הוא דג חריף ברוטב עגבניות. Chraime is a spicy fish in tomato sauce. Tofu. Tofu. הכנתי אורז מטוגן עם טופו. I made stir-fried rice with tofu. Stir-fried. שום. Garlic. לשום יש טעם חזק מאוד. Garlic has a very strong taste. שיבולת שועל. Oatmeal. So it's a bit different because when we say שיבולת שועל in Hebrew we mean the raw material, you know, the dry things you cook the oatmeal with. So if you're talking about like what you made for breakfast, this like bowl of like gooey white dish, you would say דייסת שיבולת שועל. את אוהבת דייסת שיבולת שועל? Do you like oatmeal? תה ירוק. Green tea. אתה מעדיף קפה או תה ירוק? Do you prefer coffee or green tea? זית. זית, olive. Plural is זיתים. אני אוהבת זיתים שחורים. I like black olives. אנחנו פשוט לא מתאימים. We're just not right for each other. This sentence will work as it is, as long as you're not two women. In that case, it will be אנחנו פשוט לא מתאימות. אנחנו צריכים להתחיל לצאת עם אנשים אחרים. We should start seeing other people. I never did. It sounds like an advice. It's weird. אני חושב שאנחנו מתקדמים מהר מדי. I think we're moving too fast. If you're a woman and you want to state, it would be אני חושבת שאנחנו מתקדמים מהר מדי. It's not necessarily a breakup line though, is it? Okay, this one is gold. אני לא מספיק טוב בשבילך. I'm not good enough for you. That's the lamest excuse. If anyone would ever say that to me, I would just say, yeah, you're not. This one is, you know what, just straightforward. אני פשוט לא אוהב אותך יותר. I just don't love you anymore. That was male to female. Female to male would be אני פשוט לא אוהבת אותך יותר. And, well, there are variations. אני צריך את החופש שלי. I need my space. Need your space. אני צריך להתמקד בקריירה שלי. I need to focus on my career. What are you, the prime minister? Whatever. בוא פשוט נהיה חברים. Let's just be friends. That would never work. And the classic, זה לא אתה, זה אני. It's not you, it's me. That would also, of course, change according to gender. זו לא את, זה אני, or זה לא אתה, זו אני, and the variations. מגיע לך יותר טוב. You deserve better. You know what? I do deserve better.
אני אדבר עברית ברמת שפת אם תוך 3 שנים. I'll speak Hebrew in a native level in 3 years. אני אדבר עברית ברמת שפת אם תוך 3 שנים. I'll speak Hebrew in a native level in 3 years. You think you can? Well, prove it. Start now. אני יכולה לצפות בסרטים בעברית ללא כתוביות. I can watch movies in Hebrew without subtitles. אני יכולה לצפות בסרטים בעברית ללא כתוביות. I can watch movies in Hebrew without subtitles. There actually are a lot of good movies done in Israel in the last 10 years. Obviously more, but if you want to, be updated. A few of my favorite are Jellyfish, which is amazingly good, I think. And another one who was actually nominated for the Academy Awards called Waltz עם Bashir, Waltz with Bashir, I think. It's a really good movie. אני יכולה לשנן בערך 50 מילים חדשות בעברית ביום. I can memorize around 50 new Hebrew words a day. אני יכולה לשנן בערך 50 מילים חדשות בעברית ביום. I can memorize around 50 new Hebrew words a day. That's crazy, can you? You say that to me and I will be amazed. Just saying. אני לומדת עברית כבר 10 שנים. I've been learning Hebrew for 10 years. אני לומדת עברית כבר 10 שנים. I've been learning Hebrew for 10 years. Well, that would only amaze me if you don't speak Hebrew at this point, because learning a language for 10 years and not being able to speak it, well, that is amazing. אני לומדת עברית לגמרי לבד. I'm learning Hebrew all by myself. אני לומדת עברית לגמרי לבד. I'm learning Hebrew all by myself. That is impressive. How do you do that? With HebrewPod101.com? Well, in Israel, when we're impressed, we have this sound that we make. It goes, psh. Okay, so this is what you say when you're impressed. All by yourself? Psh. I am amazed. You know what? Amazed. הבנתי את כל מה שאמרת. I understood everything you said. That's a funny one. הבנתי את כל מה שאמרת. I understood everything you said. I hope you understand everything I say. Otherwise, I'm just sitting here talking to myself. But you know what? Props to you. חוץ מעברית, אני יכולה לדבר גם כמה שפות אחרות. Apart from Hebrew, I can speak a few other languages as well. Well, that's just bragging. חוץ מעברית, אני יכולה לדבר גם כמה שפות אחרות. Apart from Hebrew, I can speak a few other languages as well. Well, you don't need to brag, okay? I only have 2. How many languages can you speak? Leave a comment below. Make us jealous. לקח לי רק שנה אחת על מנת לדבר בשטף. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. לקח לי רק שנה אחת על מנת לדבר בשטף. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. Well, I am amazed by that because, as you probably already know, Hebrew is a difficult language to learn, but I think it's doable. עברית היא כיפית וקלה ללמידה. Hebrew is fun and easy to learn. עברית היא כיפית וקלה ללמידה. Hebrew is fun and easy to learn. I would be happy if you think that. Yeah, do you agree? Is Hebrew fun and easy to learn? Hope it is. תודה, אבל זו לא שפת האם שלי למען האמת. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. תודה, אבל זו לא שפת האם שלי למען האמת. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. You're not a native speaker? Then, you're really good. One that would really amaze me will be, למדתי את כל זה אתמול. I learned all of that yesterday. Must have been a busy day.
אטריות מנה חמה. Instant noodles, which we usually call it מנה חמה after the brand. I mean, it's not always noodles, but it's always bad for you. It's actually my sister's favorite food. אחותי ממש אוהבת מנה חמה. My sister really loves instant noodles. ארוחות קפואות, frozen meals. כשאין לי זמן, אני מחממת לי ארוחה קפואה. When I don't have time, I heat up a frozen meal. You gotta do what you gotta do. בשר מעובד, processed meat. היום כולם יודעים שבשר מעובד הוא לא בריא. Today everybody knows that processed meat is unhealthy. מרגרינה, margarine. בעוגיות האלה יש מרגרינה. These cookies have margarine in them. Yuck. משקאות אנרגיה. Energy drinks. Because I think it's gross, but people do that, so... הוא אוהב לערבב משקאות אנרגיה עם אלכוהול. He likes to mix energy drinks with alcohol. Right, it's a common combination. So this is the end. I hope you learned something and that you're gonna change your ways. Just kidding. Do whatever you want. If you have an interesting comment, leave it below and don't forget to check out the site. See you next week.